Our collaboration with the Italian exhibition group, IEG, for one, is unprecedented in the events industry.
The Italian exhibition group, Informa, and DMCC are each industry phenomena.
You don't have 6 or 7 consultants. You have people that are in the field, people who understand the industry.
We don't worry about competition. We embrace competition.
We are all united by this commitment to give companies the best business opportunities that the market can offer nowadays.
And I'm confident that this show will bring unique buyer's experience for the jewelry world.